Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce lag on Roblox application. So of course, if you have Roblox application on your PC, that will be great. But if you don't have it, you'll need to go and download it through any browser you are using. So once it's downloaded, open it and log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll need to create an account. Of course, you'll need just to provide them with the simple information to create your account. Of course, I advise you to verify your email or phone number to don't get hacked or to reset your password when needed. And even if you verify your account, you will get a free item. Of course, who don't love free item, right? So anyway, when you verify your account and etc., just log into your account as we said, and then go and hop into a game. So for me, I'm just going to enter this game as an example, and let's just wait the game until it loads correctly. So here we are at the game. So as you can see, my game is clear. I have no lag, as you can see. So how I can do that? So simply, if I want to don't have any lag, simply I will need to go into the settings. How can I go into the settings? You can just, if you have this escape on, you can just remove it and click here, or you can just go, if you have it on and you don't want to remove it, simply you will need to go and click at escape. So of course, from here you'll need to go to settings, and from those settings you will need to actually change a bit on those graphics problems. So of course, here and this graphic mode, you will need to make it manual, and from manual then make it to the less option. Of course, then the performance set, you will need to make it on. Of course, if you want to see anything, so now let me just leave. As you can see at the top here, we have the performance stats. Of course, if you would like to leave that, leave it. If you don't want it, just turn it off from here. So if you want to have any lag, make sure these three options, the three laps options, to be off. So because if they are on, you will get some things in your screen and you will get more lag. And of course, this graphics mode, if you make it as automatical and it's like here the graphic quality is high, you can just make it low on, or you can just make it manual and make sure to make it at the least. I think automatical for me also will make what's better for my PC, what can my PC handle. But of course, for if you have automatical and you still have lag, just go to manual and change that to the lowest. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.